Not sure where to go, or what to see? Then, let's explore Petropolis. Keep watching and we'll show you the top self-guided day plan so that you can see the best attractions, at your own pace, for free. We'll also show you the best time to travel here. Save time and money by rolling with Tour Bird Buddy. We do all the hard work for you. To explore more cities, be sure to subscribe. Awesome. Let's roll. This tour is best if you only have a day. You'll need about 8 hours to enjoy this. Serra dos Órgãos National Park is a national park in the state of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Then on to Petrópolis Wax Museum. Museum showcasing wax replicas of Brazilian and global celebrities, icons and fictional characters. Next stop, Museo Casa de Santos Dumont. This former home of Alberto Santos Dumont is now a museum documenting his pioneering aviation work. And then Palácio Rio Negro. The Palácio Rio Negro is a palace located in Petrópolis, mountainous region of the state of Rio de Janeiro, Brazil. Move on to Casa da Princesa Isabel. This neoclassical style house built in 1853 was the home of Princess Isabel and the Count of EU. Then move to Crystal Palace. Iconic glass and iron greenhouse built as a gift for Princess Isabel in the 19th century. Move on to Cathedral of Petrópolis. French Gothic-style cathedral with stained glass windows, imperial tombs, sculptures and artwork. Next to Imperial Museum of Brazil. Housed in the stately 1845 palace of Brazil's first emperor, this museum documents Brazil's history. The most popular travel time in Petrópolis is July. The temperature ranges from 24 to 18 degrees Celsius. Yearly events. Bauernfest is in June and July. Check the video description below for weather tips, more events and links to rewatch a day plan. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe so that you always go the best way for the best day. Oh, and help planning your trip, check the links in the video description below.